Hello everyone, I'm Marissa and today I'm gonna introduce Yutong van to you. Yutong vans are widely used around the world in passenger transportation, tourism, group commuting, business reception, and various specialized market segments. Available in multiple seating configurations, 7 or 9 seats, and 14 or 15 seats, and 2-door layout options. Sliding side door with the rear double lift doors, or outwarding opening side door with the rear flip-up doors. The model supports Euro 3, Euro 5, and Euro 6 emission standards, and come in both automatic and manual transmissions to meet different operation needs and driving preferences. With core values of reliability, safety, economy, comfort, smart features, and professional design, Yutong vans have achieved large-scale sales and stable operations in Southeast Asia, Central Asia, the Middle East, Africa, and the Americas. The vehicles are engineered for a lifespan of 2 million kilometers and have passed extreme testing in extreme heat, extreme cold, and high-altitude environments. They are built to endure intense annual usage of 100,000 kilometers, feature long-term anti-corrosion protection for up to 20 years, and use a robust closed-ring body structure with over 55% high-strength steel. The model has passed the European Union ECE R66 full vehicle rollover safety certification. Renowned as a professional van that truly understands operational demands, the Yutong V6, with sliding side door and the rear double lift doors, is ready to step into the spotlight. Now let's take a closer look at what it has to offer. Yutong V6 vans feature a sleek, business-oriented design with automatic wipers and integrated LED headlights, fog lights, turn signals, and daytime running lights. The forward road monitoring, driver monitoring, and pedal monitoring together form a three-way monitoring system, making fleet operations safer and more worry-free. A sliding side door with a maximum clear width of 1,160 mm and electric retractable pedals ensures convenient boarding. The rear door tire design, paired with ESP, improves the handling on highways and unpaved roads, while significantly increasing load capacity. Rear parking sensors and optional reversing camera add further driving confidence. The standard 14 or 15-seat version offers 0.7 cubic meters of rear luggage space, fitting up to 11 carry-on, 20-inch suitcases. The 7 or 9-seat business version offers up to 1.1 cubic meters, accommodating 8 large or 26-inch and 2 small 20-inch suitcases, providing ample space for business and group travel. The driver-centered cockpit is designed for maximum ease of use, featuring keyless start like one-touch start and smart key, a multi-function steering wheel, and a full LCD instrument panel. Optional upgrades include a 12.3-inch high-definition infotainment screen with a 360-degree surround view camera system. For enhanced safety, drivers can also opt for ADAS features such as forward collision warning, lane departure warning, and driver fatigue monitoring. The V6 offers 3 driving modes: economy, standard, and sport, allowing drivers to adapt to various road and usage conditions. Powered by 2.3T turbocharged engine with 163 horsepower and a climbing ability of up to 40%, the V6 delivers strong performance and high adaptability, easily meeting the demands of diverse operating scenarios. This is our spacious and comfortable passenger area with an interior height of 1,890 mm and an aisle width of 300 mm. Passenger can move freely without feeling cramped. Independent climate control is available for both the driver and the passenger zones. For high-temperature regions like the Middle East, a specially developed high-efficiency air conditioning system ensures rapid cooling. Optional overhead luggage racks help keep small bags organized without compromising seating comfort. Ergonomically designed seats offer generous spacing and adjustable backrests. 3-point seat belts are standard throughout the vehicle. Roof vent windows provide a natural ventilation and serve as an emergency exits. Additional sliding windows at the rear enhance the airflow and maintain a fresh interior environment. Additionally, Yutong van is also excellent in intelligence. Equipped with the Yutong self-developed Link Plus telematics system, the V6 enables real-time vehicle monitoring, fault and risk alerts, automated energy and fuel consumption analysis, and integrated after-sales service, delivering a smarter, more efficient operational experience. Link Plus currently serves over 440,000 vehicles in 42 countries and regions. In Route Plus, the direct service system provides fast, professional, and diligent service guarantee. Yutong Direct Service offers a well-established global support network with 56 mobile service teams and 337 authorized service centers across 112 countries and regions. The network includes 11 central warehouses, 92 forward parts depots, and over 50,000 genuine spare parts, ensuring authenticity and timely availability. A team of 647 professional service personnel is stationed overseas year-round, providing 100% transparent service 365 days a year. The Yutong V6 van comes with a 3-year per 120,000 kilometers full vehicle warranty, delivering worry-free ownership through proven quality and reliability. The Yutong V6 is a professional van designed with a deeper understanding of operational needs. It empowers customers with a professional-grade quality and a user-focused design, offering a superior experience for public transport and business use. Yutong van better rewards